In a bid to enhance educational quality, Nongpoh MLA Miral Bonds aim today inaugurated a new functional literacy and numeracy FLN classroom at Diwon Secondary School in Ribhoi district. This classroom, designed for the nursery students within the lower primary section, aims to support early childhood education through practical activity-based teaching facilitated by information and communication technology. During the ceremony, the MLA also presented 10 wall fans to the school and also provided a financial contribution to support Diwon Secondary School's educational initiatives.
Kabalong grading scan, kabalong ka foundation na kebentai di help kiberit di dunia. Di bolong galawai tu kadang berkatahan kene ka area unden dunia baru koi. Bagi suatu itu nak berkuliah ni kimde tang senang diwan nilai celah nak kalian buki jaga senang diwan paramarjan penyawan ban ha ini jadi pun beliau jenang desa.
Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District Abhilash Barat